I'm Adèle Marston at the Wellcome Centre for Cell Biology at the University of Edinburgh. What other areas of research, aside from improving understanding of aneuploidy, could make use of embryo donations? So one key use of embryo donations is to generate human embryonic stem cells. This is not something that we do in our research, but this is an area of research that has really exciting potential. So there are several different uses for embryonic stem cells. They can be used as a really great model for understanding how cells work in general. And that's because they have a great propensity to renew themselves and will continue to divide. And they can also be induced to make many different cell types. So they're what's known as pluripotent. They can essentially generate all the cell types of the body, in theory at least. Whether this can actually work in a tube is something that researchers are working on. So because of that, they also have a great use in regenerative medicine, which means that they could potentially be used to replace disease cells in the body. And finally, they can also be used to test drugs for effectiveness. So in addition to really understanding or using embryos to actually understand questions of infertility and miscarriages, they also have a much wider use in research through the development of human embryonic stem cells.